Firefly's 4th of July, a short moral story. In a quiet meadow just beyond the town, a little firefly named Freddie dreamed of putting on the best light show the meadow had ever seen. It was the 4th of July, and while humans had fireworks, Freddie wanted to create something just as magical for his fellow insects. All day, Freddie practiced flashing his light in different patterns, zigzags, spirals, and twinkling bursts. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't shine as brightly as he wanted. Feeling discouraged, he sat alone on a leaf as the evening approached. Just then, his friend Bella the butterfly fluttered by. "Why so glum, Freddie?" she asked. "I wanted to put on a show tonight, but my light isn't bright enough," he sighed. Bella smiled warmly. "Maybe you don't have to do it alone," she said. Soon, word spread around the meadow. Bees, dragonflies, beetles, and even shy moths gathered, offering to help. As the sky grew dark and fireworks boomed in the distant town, the meadow lit up with a beautiful symphony of tiny lights. Freddie led the show, flashing his patterns while dozens of insects followed, creating shimmering shapes, hearts, stars, and waves of golden sparkles. The meadow glowed with joy, and all the insects cheered. Freddie beamed, realizing that the light of many together was even more spectacular than anything he could have done alone. That night, as the humans admired their fireworks, the creatures of the meadow had their own magical celebration under the stars. Moral: working together can create something more beautiful than working alone. Thank you for watching.